In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zoho Calendar. If you're looking to efficiently schedule events or stay on top of your busy schedule, Zoho Calendar provides a handy platform to manage your time effectively. Let's dive right into the instructions. First, you'll want to go to the Zoho Calendar website. Simply open your browser and type in the URL for Zoho Calendar. This will take you to their main calendar interface, where you'll find an array of tools and features tailored to streamline your scheduling tasks. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. You'll notice a navigation bar with various tabs and a large calendar grid showcasing your monthly or weekly view. Next, we'll jump into creating a new event. Look for the New Event option, which is usually prominently displayed. It might be a button or link typically found at the top of the page or on a sidebar. Click on it, and this will open a form where you can customize all the details of your upcoming event. Now, you'll want to enter a name for your event. This is how your event will appear on your calendar, so make sure it's something descriptive and easy to recognize at a glance. It will help you or others understand what the event is about without needing to dive into more details each time. Once you've named your event, it's time to choose your starting date. A calendar pop-up should appear, allowing you to click through months and select a specific day. After the date is set, move on to selecting a starting time. Here you'll want to carefully consider the length of your event in order to manage your time accurately. You'll then select an end date. This will often just be the same as the starting date, unless you're scheduling a multi-day event. Similarly, choose the end time. This ensures your calendar reflects accurate timing, helping to avoid any scheduling conflicts. Choosing a relevant time zone is also imperative, especially if your event involves attendees from different parts of the world. Double-check and select the correct time zone from the drop-down menu, ensuring clarity and preventing mix-ups. Finally, once you've meticulously entered all this information, don't forget to click on Save. This will finalize your event, updating your Zoho calendar with your new entry. Remember, reviewing your entry to confirm everything's correct before saving is always a good habit. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll have successfully mastered the basics of using Zoho Calendar to organize your events. With practice, you'll find this tool to be an indispensable part of your time management toolkit. Thanks for watching and happy scheduling.